As India observes World Health Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has prayed for the best of health for all. In his message on Twitter, he said that the government is working to realize the dream of a healthy India, where every citizen has access to proper and affordable health care. Even as India advances on the economic front, poverty and poor health remain major issues. Here's a look at 5 biggest challenges facing the country in terms of health and steps the government has taken to deal with them. According to reports, malnutrition affects around 46% of children below the age of 3, retarding their growth and affecting overall development. Malnutrition is the prime reason of about 1/3 of adult women being underweight. Nearly 30% of all newborns have a low birth weight, making them vulnerable to further malnutrition and disease. The response is the National Health Mission's Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram. It entails provision for child health screening and early intervention services through early detection and management of 4 Ds, that is defects at birth, diseases, deficiencies, development delays, including disability. Second challenge that India faces is a very high infant mortality rate. Despite health improvements over the last 30 years, more than 2 million children die every year from preventable infections. The first phase of the Universal Immunization Program mission, Indradhanush, begins in 201 high-priority districts of the country. The immunization program aims at covering all children below 2 years of age against 7 preventable diseases. The diseases are diarrhea, tetanus, polio, measles, whooping cough, hepatitis B and tuberculosis. Sanitation and hygiene are still a major concern, especially in the rural areas. According to a report, only 31% of India's population have access to improved sanitation, and they remain a major reason why the overall health index in the country remains in the grip of easily preventable diseases. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, a national campaign by the Government of India covering 4,041 statutory towns to clean the streets, roads and infrastructure of the country, officially launched on 2nd October 2014, is India's biggest ever cleanliness drive, with PM Modi taking the lead. Communicable diseases account for another big headache for the government, as it affects almost the entire population every year and is a considerable strain on our resources. The UIP, for example, deals with most infectious diseases. In addition, the government this year launched a revised TB control policy to deal with deadly strains that are immune to available drugs. Another challenge is lifestyle diseases. India has the largest diabetes patients in the world. Patients with heart ailments are also on the rise with each passing week. To make people adapt a healthy lifestyle remains a big challenge for the country. The government, while augmenting facilities for quality medical education in the underserved states, in particular through the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, has also instituted the National Tobacco Control Program to study and suggest ways to deal with the tobacco menace. India's healthcare sector certainly presents a dichotomy with its numerous health challenges. India remains a beacon for other developing countries in many fields, and hopefully with renewed focus on the sector, it will again be an example worth emulating for developing world. Newsnight Desk, DD News.